So it's called Not Another Test. So the idea is it's the first day of science class, and the students are really excited about experimenting. But unfortunately, the results of their scientific method quizzes were lost when the janitor decided to have a vacuuming spree. So now there's no way to tell who actually passed the test. So you as a teacher have decided, instead of giving the test again, you're going to bring out the breakout box. So now not only will the students have to prove their knowledge, but they'll have to problem solve together to prove their knowledge of the scientific method. So there's 5 locks, but these are the 4 that need to be set up: the 3-digit, the 4-digit directional multi-lock, and the ABC multi-lock. Game overview here. So the letter lock, you're going to see in the printables, there's about 3 pages of quotations, and you're going to stick those up on a wall, line them up together, and they all have to relate to about asking questions. So the students should realize that the code to open up the letter lock will be ask ? The next is the key lock. So the key lock itself is actually going to go on the smaller BreakoutEDU box with the QR code on the inside. The key itself will be hidden behind the scientific method printable, or if you have a poster, it can be behind there too. The 3-digit number lock, so there will be a pun that you stick somewhere up around the room, and from reading the pun, they're going to have to realize they're going to need the periodic table, which will also be somewhere random in the room, preferably not by the pun sheet, and they're going to have to find the atomic number of both oxygen and magnesium, which will be the 3-digit lock. The 4-digit lock, they're going to have to read background information on the scientific method. They should pick out that some of the words have random capitalizations, and those spell out each number that will need to be put in. The directional lock, when they scan the QR code, it will open up a YouTube link about the scientific method. And on one of the slides, it will actually reveal the direction of the arrows as they correspond to the order of the method. This is the video that they're going to open up using the QR code. And this section, this section is actually going to be what they're focused on, but they're probably going to have to watch the video over a few times to catch it. So the directions are down, 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 right, down. These are just some of the printouts. So all of these quotations, there's about 3 of them that are going to be put together, like I said. Then we have this pun. I heard that oxygen and magnesium were going out, and I was like, and then they're going to have to go find oxygen and magnesium, and the answer is OMG, but they're actually looking for the atomic number. And then this part, the QR code, you're going to cut it out and place it inside the BreakoutEDU box, the smaller version. These are all of the locks. So again, this lock, the 3-digit lock, the 4-digit lock, ABC multi-lock, and the directional lock all go on the big hasp lock of the big EDU box, and then this key lock goes on the smaller one. And this is just some of the other stuff you're going to need. So you might want the USB drive to be able to stick the printables on, hint cards, and reflection cards. So that is how to do Not Another Test for the scientific method.